heard of this game. It looks good.
I don't know.
Well, it does look pretty good.
Okay, let's get it.
How much? $5.
Yeah, that sounds fun. Yeah, that's pretty cool as well.
Yeah. I know, and it only costs $5. A bit cheap. I thought it was $50.
Can't wait to play the game. It does look pretty cool.
Gibbs playing the game first.
Hey, what's that?
Well, oh yeah, I better go get it. Whoa, what's
on?
happening? Whoa, where is he? Whoa.
Where am I?
I think you're in the game.
How do I get out?
I don't know.
I think you must have to win the game to get me out.
Let's go then.
Okay,
There's some lava up there.
I've already done one level. This is good.
You better be careful, there's some lava. But I'm playing. Oh, wait, I better be careful. There's some lava. Down there.
More lava.
That was close.
A lot of lava in this level.
Yep.
Okay.
What are those crumbling blocks doing?
Well, they probably crumble from within your feet. That level was pretty easy.
Yeah. This one was pretty easy too.
Hey. And
Does that hurt?
it doesn't appear to. Oh, this one looks pretty hard.
Do you reckon you have one life or like 3 or 2?
Well, I reckon you probably have 3.
Hopefully.
Hopefully, because if we die, I'm probably going to die forever.
Ooh,
Okay,
yeah,
okay,
you've
we've
probably
got
got 2 or
3.
3.
Yeah, 2 or 3.
Hopefully I don't. You don't die, okay.
Yeah, because then, if it's too
We'll be dead. Well, that was close. Okay. Well,
You're
this
actually controlling me. I can't control myself.
Okay, well, there's
Whoa.
a portal. Can you see it?
Yeah, that's probably. Oh,
Whoa.
okay, last life.
Last life.
Better not die.
I reckon. We don't actually know.
Okay.
Okay, come on.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Oh, that was weird.